Hi, Scott Foster here with a quick video news clip. And a client of ours was nice enough to allow us to use his site as an example. And Rick was using our Social Buzz console services to create social proof for his website. And this video is going to cover using the correct widgets. And this widget right here, he was noticing in his reporting for his campaign, he was noticing that that the 35 likes that he had received, he saw the reporting and he clicked this link right here, and he noticed that it took him to a widget which was just on a blank page here on Facebook. And seeing that his URL is right here, you can see that it's associated. These 45 likes are associated. So what's happening here? Now, if we look at his campaign, you can see that he decided to promote the karaokemachine.com. Okay, so that's exactly what he had received. And so what I did is I actually clicked like on this, and then what this did is this pulled in an ad block for his website, as you can see right here. So if I go back to his website like this and I look at this widget right here, I notice that the numbers do not correspond. This has 51, and then of course the one here has 45, and that's what his concern was, is that he was wondering, hey, did I actually receive any promotions? And as a matter of fact, he did. And so once again, when I click on the link inside of the reporting right here for his campaign, takes me to a widget like this. I click like, it pulls in an ad block like this. And by the way, this is what this does. This is how this works. So you can see the power in this, so this creates a link directly back to his website from someone's Facebook page, in this case mine. And so when I go back to the widget here, which he was intending to promote his actual URL, what Rick mistakenly thought that this was promoting the URL, but it's actually not. So when I click like on this, what this did, so I go back to my Facebook page, you can see that there it is right there. So when I click this takes me directly to the actual company Facebook page for the karaoke machine. So just make sure when you're using the services to make sure that you're using the correct widgets and that they're matching with the promotion. So if you're curious about where you get the correct widgets at, I will take you in here and show you on the site. If you come to the help areas right here, I got this open in a new window right here, so click help, and then you come into this area that looks like this, and then there's an overview of the content distribution and social buzz services right here. I click this, and then down here you will see that there is an FAQ on where you obtain the correct social widgets for the different social platforms. Okay, and so what exactly is, by the way, Social Buzz Console? Well, let me take you through and show you. If you click on Request Content, you go to Other Services, and by the way, you're probably noticing that we're bringing up an option to add social buzz to the content you're having written here after you publish it, of course. And with that said, it means that you can actually promote any content, even existing content elsewhere, because it's really just a URL promotion. So you click Other Services, and this is really just ordering it in a manual fashion, as opposed to being offered at the end of submitting a content request. So you can request up to 5 campaigns at once. You click Next. You see, if I go in here, you'll see that you have different options of choosing URL distribution, different numbers, and different price points. And so this is the one I chose recently, or I could do this. I can say, hey, I want 200 promotions, and then I want an additional 100 Facebook likes. I can actually do that, and so you can see it updates my price there. I click Next. So for this example, I'll just choose the 200 promotions, and then once I do that, that creates a new campaign ready to be loaded right here in my social media section, Manage Projects area, social media. You can see right here it says Enter Necessary Data. And so which I just saved it. We're promoting our blog post here. So you'll enter the name of the campaign, your URL that you're promoting, the title, of course. I recommend using your keywords in your title. So if you're curious about using the system, then click on one of these. It'll tell you how to do that. And then your tags, of course, and then your keywords. And then once you're ready to start the campaign, you can click this, or you can just click Save, come back to it later. And then once you're ready to click Save or start the campaign, just click Submit. So once again, just going back, just recapping, make sure you use the correct widgets, and so that way, if you're promoting and you want the Facebook likes to show up on the actual page, then you need to use the correct widget. So this, once again, this was a widget that promotes the Facebook page for this site. So I hope this has been helpful. Please let us know if we can be of further assistance.